Okie dokie. Here it is. January 25th, 2018. I know this isn't a time capsule, I know it sounded like that, but um, okay, so into the recap today. So, kind of cool. Um, the general overall is the net is $179.80 up in the green, which is good. It's a good, great thing. The market wasn't that good today. It was kind of choppy, and the follow through wasn't that terrific. But um, like you can see right here, LTBR was the leading gapper for pre-market like gap ups, um, which is okay, except for the fact that um, it sold off like really hard, really bad right from the open all the way until now. It's still kind of selling off. They even had good news today, and it still sold off. So that kind of gives you an idea. That's like if you're getting into the market in the morning time here, looking to go long, then it's not going to be good for you because like how could you ever make money going long when everything's selling off short, especially like your leading advocate for what the stocks are gonna be like today. The so it just changes the game plan a little bit. You take the temperature of the market like you're taking the temperature of a turkey in the oven, and then let me show you here um, just this one that I got into HTBX. So HT um, BX. Here we go. So this was just one right off the scanners from well, let's see. It was in right off like just scanning stocks. It came right off the scanners for just a low float stock with high momentum for on the going up on the upside here. So you see there's like a little bit of a setup here. Kind of, I don't really know what makes this go from like zero volume or shares being traded all morning. So then it just goes to 200,000 like really quickly, or even 30,000. Like I don't know what makes stocks do that and then jump 10 cents initially. I don't know. Was it the market makers? I don't know. I have no clue. If anybody knows, let me know. But um anyway, it does happen, and then people see it, so then they all want a piece of the action, so it starts popping up. And because the sun has such a low float, it sort of catches really well, and just like a kite in the wind, it just kind of goes um, on the upward, and then that's kind of cool because it goes into a circuit breaker halt, which is indication that there's a lot of strength on it because they have to restrict the volatility. Um, which is good because I see that, and then I added into the circuit breaker halt here at $3.60, which is really cool. It's good for me. It was a 10-minute halt though, which kind of stinks because this stock it didn't have like a lot of volume here in this candle, so it's kind of risky to get in there to be honest with you. But I could take it with 1,000 shares without margin restriction on SureTrader, which is a good thing. So kind of have to take my opportunities as they come. So I did, and it turns out it was okay. My game plan going into it, like into the resumption after those 10 minutes of no trading, was to um, just pretty much get a scalp out of it. And what scalping means is just take it off the top, So if it opens, it goes up a little bit, like it did right here. You can see it goes up to $4 there. Then that's like the point where you just try to scalp up there at the top, like the initial. Because usually what happens with these is that they resume after it's being stopped trading, and then they just kind of buy like everyone buys it up and it just popped up because they all want a little piece of the action. You know what I'm saying? So with this one, because it doesn't have any good news or anything, it was kind of just like a pop and drop, kind of a pump and dump kind of deal. You can have any kind of words that rhyme, but that's kind of the whole idea. As it goes up, it goes down because they just want a little bit of the action. It's just greed and fear, real quick, because there's no like catalyst to keep it up. So anyway, okay, so that's what was happening. So I was like, okay, cool. I'll get in at 360, and then as it goes up, I'm just gonna try to get in and get out. So I try to get out at like in the 90s. You can see right here I got filled on my selling of 1,000 shares cleanly at 380, which is great on the ask. So it was on the upper side, so I could catch, excuse me, catch and gain a little bit more profit that way. So it's kind of cool. So it was just 20 cents right there. Boom. It's exactly what I wanted. I was just like, cool, man. If I could get 10 cents, even just 20 cents, something, just not red, you know, if I just didn't want it to open at 360, pop up like 5 cents, and then drop, because that would really stink. But anyway, turns out I didn't do that, and I got in and out good and well, and that's pretty cool. So it's $179.80 on the day after commissions, even though it was a $200 clean 20 cents trade. So that's good. But anyway, so now here on the, I got my weekly planner here, and I have, I'm tracking my trades here. Like I track them in Excel as well, and I have all of them, you know, that way, so I can look at all the analytics really closely. But I also have it right here, and it's I just take the totals, the P&L, the net P&L of each day. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of good. So basically, my buddy Steven, shout out Steven, just I'm on FaceTime with him too right now. He's he's added up for me and said it was what, Steven? $70? $70 in the green for the week. And you still got Friday tomorrow. So hopefully I don't lose $70 worth of trades or money or whatever. But whatever. They either just keep those $70 and then or make a little bit more. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, that's that. And the point of doing that is that because if you have consistency over a long period of time of just being green, it doesn't even matter how much. That's one of the pillars of the building of being a consistently profitable trader. Because you know, if you have consistency and then your winners are bigger than your losers, it's pretty hard to not be profitable over a sustainable time, like over a long time, over a long time period. It'd be kind of tough to lose money because if your winners are bigger than your losers, then okay, cool, that's good. But then if like every week of the month is green overall, even though if you have like terrible drops and lows, like yesterday I didn't do a video, but I lost $247 because of a crappy trade gone wrong. So it's okay, whatever. You know, at least you're $70 up on the week, because then you can kind of like keep your emotions in check when you're doing this kind of thing, so you don't, you know, get revengeful with your trading or anything like that. You kind of have a big picture, and you can, just like looking at charts, you can zoom it in, you can zoom it out, and get like a good idea of what's going on. So that's always good, because you need a clear mind in life and in trading. But yeah, you know, the stock market's pretty much like life. So anyway, there's patterns and sadness and happiness and all that stuff. So anyway, um, that is where it is. Hopefully it's green for the whole week tomorrow, and then can finish out the rest of January as a green month. And then February, same thing, week by week, day by day, and then month by month. And it's like, oh cool, we have 2 green months. Then that means on the year, we're green already. So that's cool, that's good. We just gotta keep getting up and get to the next level. Slow growth and enjoy the process along the way. So anyway, that's a little bit of insight inside my head. So cool. And it's noon and the national anthem's playing, so to my cousins, or my cousin out in Japan right now. Salud. Um, it's kind of seems weird to be talking through a national anthem, but okay, I'll just gotta finish this up now. Okay, goodbye guys, see you tomorrow. Cool, thanks for watching, see you later.